City University. Today we are going to present on the topic public washrooms in Delhi, sanitation and the scope of smartness. Our group include Dr. Varnika Bhatia, Dr. Manoj, Ms. Ritam Gupta, Dr. Manisha Yadav and Mr. Shaukat. So to begin with, we compiled some information from the Controller and Auditor Generals, which is reported under the name Social, General and Economic Sectors Non-Public Sector Undertaking of the year 2016 and 17, which says not even a single toilet was constructed under the Swachh Bharat Mission scheme in Delhi since its inception on October 2, 2014. Expert says Modi government vision to eliminate open defecation by October 2019 could remain just a dream, if similar trend is seen in other states as well. As per the census in 2011 to 2019, Delhi needed 1,27,005 household toilets, 2,357 community toilets, and 9,157 public toilets, whereas the Delhi government assessed only 11,117 household toilets, 25,097 community toilet and 605 public toilets to be constructed under the mission up to October 2019. The report says not a single toilet was constructed by any of the 6 implementing agencies till March 31, 2017. Even though the center released rupees 30.23 crores in 2015. So just to brief upon on some of the literatures. So according to the Beige 2023, the science of promoting healthy lifestyles, preventing, detecting, and treating diseases is known as public health. Its goals include extending life, preventing disease, and increasing the quality of life through coordinated efforts and decision made by society, communities, and individuals. The warm, muggy atmosphere in restrooms combined with careless administration, erratic water flow for cleaning and flushing, and lack of soap and tissue for hand sanitization are all elements that lead to transmission of infection disease through the spaces. As we all know, how we all hesitate before even using any public washroom because of such conditions. Also, safe waterways transportation and disposal. So these were not mentioned. Coordination at the national level. So a countrywide information, education and communication will be designed and implemented. So different NGOs and there will be a community based organization which will be assigned and everyone has to take responsibility according to that. Of course, the knowledge development is also important because the awareness can only spread through where the knowledge is and where the perfect knowledge of the problem is. Now, use of technology to find solution of the problem of public washroom. So what all different sort of technologies we can use to overcome this problem. So we can have automated washrooms so that there will be less physical contact of the person with the washroom. We can have smart toilet systems like similar to which we have in different countries like Japan. Automated hand dryers. So in many washrooms, in malls, we can see those automated hand dryers which can help to reduce the paper wastage and will also promote sanitation. Smart lighting and ventilation. So there will be less usage of electricity. There will be less wastage of electricity to frame it in a better way. Also ventilation is so important so that there is no foul smell left. IoT connected systems. So these are like the internet connected systems, intelligent things, smart washrooms, and hygiene maintenance devices. So automatic soap dispensers, hand sanitizers. So they enhance the hygiene, promote more people to use the washroom more often, also in a hygienic way. So these are some breakdown of the cost that will be implementing, that will be how much they are going to cost for a smart washroom. So as you all can see, automated faucets, they cost range around 5,000 to 15,000 per unit. Smart toilet systems, 20,000 to 1 lakh. Automated hand dryers, 5,000 to 20,000. Lighting and ventilation, 10,000 to 50,000, and so on. Now, creating awareness is very important, because even if we are making thousands of changes, but if people are not aware of how to use those washrooms, and also if government is under any scheme, government is implementing usage of such washroom, so through social media we can do awareness. So we can also use nukkad natak, street play, and that can have some engaging script, eye-catching script, community participation, post-performance discussion, and collaborate with local people. So theatre drama can also be included to spread the awareness on the same. So now, assessment of impact of creating awareness about sanitation of public washroom. So questionnaire based survey. So, in order to ensure that this project creates a small on ground and actual impact, the team has chosen to conduct a survey through a questionnaire where the initial sample size can be taken from 50 to 70 from the target population. For the above, we decided to create a Google form to be circulated in each of our circles and among the students, especially North Campus, to understand their issue regarding public toilets and smart washrooms. This will aid us in developing an understanding of the extent of familiarity with smart washroom as well as the respondents' need and requirement. The form has been generated with keeping in mind a multiplicity of the factors such as age, ability, sex, convenience, and with using and the technical know-how of smart restrooms. Lastly, the spreadsheet can be viewed and edited by anyone who has the link. The form is a working draft as of now, and we are now open to changing, editing, adding any questions and or variables in case we missed an aspect. So here is the link to the questionnaire and spreadsheet of the responses, and also the spreadsheet is open so anyone can access it. So these are the prospective conclusion. So the approach, which places a strong emphasis on inclusivity, acknowledges the necessity of reaching unprivileged and understand household with tailored strategies for communities and slums that are backed by public washrooms. Furthermore, the use of smart washroom component shows a forward-thinking strategy and make use of technology to improve resource efficiency and hygiene. IoT connected systems, smart toilet systems, and automated faucets all demonstrate a dedication into innovation for environmentally friendly sanitation methods. The utilization of posters and social media as communication vehicles complements these initiatives and adds an essential component to the approach. An engaging audience and visually appealing content on social media provide a dynamic platform for raising awareness. In summary, this plan's multifaceted approach and not only solves the current situation issues but also sets the stage for future innovations, sustainability in environment management and public health. So there are few recommendations from our side. So provide a strong monitoring and assessment framework to evaluate the awareness generation initiatives efficacy on regular basis. Investigate creative funding options to guarantee the long-term visibility of sanitation initiatives. Make sure that all users' needs, including those with impairments, and those from varied cultural backgrounds are taken into account while integrating smart bathroom components. Encourage partnerships with business in private sector, particularly where it comes to the creation and upkeep of smart restrooms. Encourage cooperation with foreign organizations and other nations that are dealing with comparable issues. So, these are the few references through which we took the information, and also we would like to